Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2018 Toyota C-HR XLE demo. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive SUV in a stunning magnetic gray color. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.0-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Included in your XLE package is your backup camera as well as your heated front seats with your dual-zone climate control and your Bluetooth connectivity. But why don't we hop on inside and take a look at your interior features.
Opening up your C-HR to take a look, you can see that you have that stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. Plenty of space to hop into your crossover. You do also have that unique detailing on the side for your passenger door, which offers more space to fit up to 5 passengers. On the side here, you can see that you have that cool black trim. You also have your power windows, your power locks, and your power adjustable side mirrors. You have your fully automatic high beams as well as your gas door and your interior light brightness. Your C-HR comes with a full set of all-weather floor mats, and check out these cool soft black cloth interiors all throughout that offer the ultimate comfort. And you also have that extra detailing with that contrasting white stitching. And something you definitely have to come in to see for yourself is that cool roof detailing on the interior that just ties all of those curves and sporty style together. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up. Starting up your C-HR, simply put your foot on the brake and that key in the ignition there. That dashboard's gonna light up with that welcome screen and your ambient lighting. Turning on that dashboard lighting there for you to take a look at. You can see that you have your multi-information display, which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. So right now it's open to your Toyota Safety Sense features, where you can set your settings for your lane departure alert as well as your pre-collision system. Because this is a demo unit, it has 9,592 kilometers on it, but we had it driven by one of our employees, so they take really good care of our demo units for us. And additional to your mode changers, you also do have your volume control, your hands-free calling, and your voice command. Below here you can see that you have your cruise control setting and your dynamic radar cruise control, all part of your Toyota Safety Sense. Now shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera pops up on your rear view mirror, so you don't have to check multiple points. It's all in one spot for you. A nice safety feature to have to keep everybody nice and safe. Taking a look at your LCD screen now, it's open to your audio system. You have your AM/FM radio as well as your USB auxiliary input and Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. You also have your AHA radio, which you can sync with your phone as part of the app. Below here you have your handy dual zone climate control as well as your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side. This dual zone means you can set a different temperature for both your driver and your passenger side. You also do have your automatic climate control, which is electronically controlled and keeps everything nice and comfortable. Plus that AC that will definitely come in handy during those long summer drives. Below here you have your USB auxiliary input with plenty of media storage. You have your stylish shift knob with that leather trim. You also do have your modern parking brake as well as your brake hold. So when you're starting your vehicle up on a hill, it'll make sure to hold that brake until you are ready to go. You also do have your traction control. Inside your center console, plenty of space to store everything that you need. In there we're seeing that cool black trim with that leather on your dashboard, and inside your glove box you will find all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your C-HR. Plenty of fun sporty things happening inside your vehicle, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your C-HR. Taking a closer look, you do have that rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy. You also do have your backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots. And check out those cool curves that just add that extra personality to your C-HR. Opening up that lift gate now, check out all that space that's available to you in the back. You do have that vinyl cover behind your 40/60 split folding seats so that everything's nice and protected, and in case you need to carry any larger items. Underneath your cover here, you can find your tools, your spare tire, and your jack in case anything does happen. Closing it up now, simply grab that handle there. We'll drop it down and we'll back up to take one more look at the back of your C-HR.
Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota C-HR XLE demo. Built right into your SUV crossover is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert with steering assist and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to ensure the ultimate safety. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.